Hello everyone, welcome to the series of VMware vSphere. Guys, over here I have came with one important update that VMware has discontinued the vSphere 7 version lab. So if you remember, we have registered for VMware vSphere 7 and loaded the lab. But over here you will see on the screen that this particular lab, VMware Virtualization 101 Hands-on Lab, it is saying you have not registered for this product because vSphere 7 version is being discontinued by VMware. vSphere 7 lab is discontinued by VMware. So please watch this very important session before you proceed further loading with the VMware labs. So just I will like to add a note over here, whether it is a vSphere 7 version or vSphere 8 version, the version is changing, technology remains same. So whatever you was seeing on the interface on vSphere 7, whether it is host and cluster tab, networking tab, storage tab, the same thing you are going to see here as well. There might be a change in the terminology, there might be a change in the terms that I will highlight you as and when it will come to us. But the technology remains same, concepts remain same. So what you have to do is you have to load this lab. The rest all things are going to remain same, whether it is vSphere 7 or vSphere 8. So till now, what all labs I have already uploaded, that is shown on vSphere 7, but the same thing you can do it on vSphere 8 as well. And the remaining labs I will be performing on vSphere 8. So let's begin with the registration for this particular lab and we will load the lab. So over here guys, as you can see, I have opened my browser and I'm going to type labs.hol.vmware.com, and this link I will put in the description box as well, and I will hit enter. As you can see, it has opened a page where you can see a multiple catalogs. So I will give you an idea what you have to do. Click over here on login register. This particular window will open for you. So what you have to do, click on a register button. Here we will give our email address. You can use the same email address which you have used earlier, or the one who are watching this session for the first time and they are about to follow the entire series. For them, this will be the first time, so they can use any email address. So I have used this email address and I am going to use the same email address over here. I will give the first name and the last name, company name, and click on sign up. It is saying that please check your email account for the verification message. I will open my Gmail account over here. And over here you can see the email from VMware. I will open this. It is saying that please be sure to verify your account by clicking on this link and entering the token below. Click on this link. One more thing, the token is there over here. See, okay. First you will open the link. It has opened in the new tab. It is asking for token. So just going to your Gmail account, the token over here, click on submit button. It is asking you to set the password, so you can set the password over here. Just re-enter your new password. If you are a bit confused, you can just click over here and it will be displayed for you. The password will be displayed for you. Click on set password and it will set the password for you. Click on continue. Now what you will do, the original tab where you were before, this one, right? You will click on login button over here. Okay, over here it is asking you for the username. You will put your email address and then click on continue. It is asking you for the password. You will put the password which you have set just now and click on login button over here. Now you can see that there are so many catalogs, which means that so many hands-on lab from the VMware are available for you. So how to find your lab? What you are going to do is you will simply search for 101 and hit enter. This is the lab which we require, the lab on which we are going to perform our labs. You can read this. This introductory lab demonstrates the core feature and function of vSphere and vCenter. This is a right track to begin your experience with VMware vSphere. What you're going to do, you'll just click on enroll button. Then click on start this lab. Everything is going to remain same over here. There won't be any change. Now if you want to run the test, you can, but we have a stable connection. We don't need to run a test. We will say start lab. Once you click on start lab, your lab will be loaded over here automatically. You can see that the time frame in your vSphere 7 lab was also around 1 hour 30 minutes. Let the lab load completely, and you can see that the time remaining over here will also be 1 hour 30 minutes. You can see over here it's 1 hour 30 minutes. Similar to how you extend over there, you can extend over here as well. Simply click on extend and it will extend up to 9 hours. Similarly what it was happening in vSphere 7. Okay, now what we are going to do, just I will make it full screen. Now what is a change over here? Let's discuss on that. There is no change. Only a minor change which you can see is vSphere 7 Labs was built up on Windows 7 machine, whereas Windows 10 machine, whereas the vSphere 8 lab you can see it is on Ubuntu. Now the question will come to your mind that you don't know, if you don't know Linux, if you don't know Ubuntu, then how you will work. Don't worry about that, guys, because that operating system, whatever is the base machine operating system, you don't have to worry about that at all. Just what you have to do is, over there you were loading the lab using a Google Chrome, right? Over here you will use the Mozilla Firefox. Even this thing, there was a notepad in vSphere 7 you used to open and you were seeing the credentials and all, right? See over here also it is same thing. Even the credentials are same over here. There is no change. Close it. Open here Mozilla, the Firefox web browser, and now you have to go to your vCenter, right? Just click on region A, VCSA1A web client, and from here simply click on login button. You can see that your lab is loaded over here. The host and cluster which was there in vSphere 7, the same thing is over here. The tabs are same over here. There is no change in the tab. Storage button, the networking button, all the tabs, even the interface, everything remains same. There is no change in the interface. Yes, there is a change in the shape of the icons are a bit changed, but the VM templates, host and cluster, storage, networking tab, each and everything is same. So guys, that's all about how to register the account in VMware for loading the vSphere 8 lab. We have seen over here that we have successfully registered and loaded our VMware vSphere 8 lab, and now here onward we will be working on this lab because VMware v7 lab is discontinued. So guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment box and I will try my best to address your queries as soon as possible. That's all guys in this session. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it now and do share with your friends. See you in the next session.